Hi Busog Nation, alam nyo ba na isa sa pinakamahalagang goal sa United Nations ay ang Zero Hunger? Pero bakit nga ba mahalaga ito? Simple lang, lahat tayo ay nangangailangan ng pagkain para mabuhay.
Pero bakit marami pa ring nagugutom?
Yan ang pag-uusapan natin ngayon. Tara, samahan niyo ako.
Globally, over 700 million people suffer from hunger. In the Philippines, the faces of hunger are often children. 1 out of 10 is severely malnourished. Malnourished children struggle every day, not just with their health but also with focusing in school. In these areas, poverty makes hunger even worse. Families struggle to survive with what little they have. Every day is a fight for basic needs. Parents do anything they can, but it's never enough. Yet life goes on even in the hardest times. But there is hope when people come together to help. With effort and care, we can fight hunger and give these children a brighter future.
Did you know that nearly 20% of the food we produce goes to waste? Imagine, if this wasted food was saved, it could feed millions of hungry people.
Lack of jobs, the effects of climate change, and limited access to sustainable farming are just some of the reasons why hunger persists in our country.
Tulad nito, ang community garden ay magandang paraan para magkaroon ng sustainable food source. Dito nagtutulungan ang mga tao na magtanim ng gulay at prutas na sapat para sa kanilang pamilya. You can also do this in your own backyard. Even simple vegetable like tomatoes, eggplants, or leafy greens can make a big difference for your family.
Supporting local farmers is another solution. When we buy from them, we are not just helping their livelihoods, but we are also strengthening our food supply and economy.
Another simple way to help is by reducing food waste. Use your leftovers wisely and donate any surplus food to food banks. Remember, every grain of food matters.
Ngayon, ikaw naman, anong pwede mong gawin para tumulong? Magtanim, bumili ng local, mag-donate, o sumali sa mga feeding program? The solutions are simple. As long as we work together, every little action you can take make a big difference for someone's future.
watching Busog Nation. We hope this inspired you to take action for zero hunger. Share this video to reach more people and encourage them to join the cause. Together, let's make zero hunger a reality. Maraming salamat, Busog Nation. See you next time. Be part of the solution.